Hazrat Abu Ma'bad, the slave of Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, reports that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, while sending Maaz bin Jabal to Yemen, said, a section of populace belonging to the people of book will very soon come across you. When you approach them, invite them to testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And undoubtedly Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the apostle of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. If they obey you, then tell them that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has enjoined on them 5 times prayer every day and night. If they believe it, tell them that zakat has been enjoined on them, that will be taken from the affluent among them and handed over to their poor. If they obey it, eschew taking the best of their property and keep on fearing the malediction of the oppressed, for there is no screen between him and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1496.